Welcome back to our Care About tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to look at the more advanced features associated with look and feel. Now I think the first thing that we need to do is we need to do a backup of where we are, and we can see here that we've just done a backup on today at 5:04, which is the most recent one. And the reason for that is that we can go back to this setup now at any point when we feel like it in the future. And we're going to have a look and edit those colours. What we're also going to do is we're going to have a look at this list of words down here, from background to link boxes to main site to menu bar, and just identify what it is that they individually mean. So the first thing is, let's start at the top with the background, and in here we can see the background's in a purple colour. And if we go in here and double click on background, we can see the background's in a purple colour, and we can choose a range of colours. Now there are much more extensive palettes of these colours. These are hexadecimal colours, these 6 digits in terms of CMYK, which is cyan, magenta, yellow and key for black. Note that black is lots of noughts with no added colour, and at the other end of the spectrum white is lots of Fs, which is F is 16 in hexadecimal. So let's just choose any colour, it doesn't really matter. Let's go for a rather lurid green so we can definitely see the difference. We're going to save the changes, we're going to go into here, have a look at our site, refresh the page, and as you can see the rather lurid green colour has materialised. We're now going to go back into home because I think we'll find that quite concerning, and we're going to go into look and feel, and we're going to restore, take us back in here, refresh the page, and we're back to our purple colour. So let's go back into our edit colours, and you can see a range of things that you can do in terms of changing colours, width, height, border, whether you're looking at text or whether you're looking at background colours, and various advanced options. Now not all of these apply to all sets of circumstances, so you'll certainly find that some of them don't work because they're not meant to work in those particular pages. Links box, background colour, light blue colour. So if we go into home, we go into swimming pools, here are some links, and we can see we've got a grey background, white text and a blue border. So if we were to want to change those, let's change the background colour and let's go for our lurid green. Save the changes, back into swimming pools, refresh the page, and I guess we've got your attention. As you can see, you can also change the border colour, the border size and the text colours in there. Okay, so links box text, as you can see this is currently in white, so let's have a look at a text colour, and against the green let's have some kind of blue. Save the changes, go into swimming pool, and there we have blue against green. Okay, so the main site is this grey blue colour, and if we go in here it's that grey blue colour. If you want to change that into some other colour, so let's say we wanted it in a sort of light purple colour, save the changes, back into the site, refresh the page, and you can start to see we're beginning to move into some bright purpley green. Menu bar is the next one along. This is a slightly darker colour blue, so we may change that into slightly darker colour purple. So let's just go and have a quick look. The menu bar is this bar along here, which is the background to the menu boxes and the menu drop down boxes, and the drop down colours and the cover and the hover over colours. Okay, so let's change that bar into a deep purple for no other reason than that we can. So let's try that. Save the changes. You can also adjust the the width here is 100%, means it runs all the way across. You can do it in pixels. You can adjust the height. You can have a border around the menu bar if you want to. Let's just go in here. We change this to a deep purpley color, I think, and there it is, deep purple. Menu boxes. Menu boxes are those boxes which are currently blue. The menu box has got a width of 150 pixels. Let's just try changing it to some other color. So let's change that to a rather odd looking khaki color. So change the colors, refresh the page. Yeah, so I'm actually going to change that back to nothing, so because I don't want that. So I'm just going to delete that. And so we're going to change that back to white and then just delete those colors. Save the changes. Now I'm pretty sure that's changed it white, which is not actually what I want, because you can't then read the writing. So let's just go back into here and delete those colors. And there we are, back to our color there. So if you wanted the menu boxes to stand out from the rest of them, then you can. So let's just go back into Starsheet, and we've had a look at the menu bar, the menu box. The sub-menu box is basically the same, but let's just go and have a look at menu box hover, and that is in that light color. So let's change that to a really dark purple. Save the changes, go into here, refresh, and the hover over is now that really dark purple color. So you can see it's beginning to go more and more dark purple. And sub-menu hover, let's change that into some kind of sea greeny color. Refresh, and now we've still got the deep purple for there, the sub-menu color of grey, but the hover over color for the sub-menus is now a sea greeny color. And I think you'll probably agree that this is becoming more and more obscure in its approach. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to home, we're going to go into Look and Feel, and we're going to select our most recent backup. So just restore those colors there. You can see they've been restored in your preview, and when we refresh this, a slightly better color scheme comes back.